Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to add posts that you were tagging on your Facebook profile or your Facebook timeline. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Facebook account and go ahead and click on your Facebook profile. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Then go ahead and click on filters. Then go ahead and click on posted by. Click on anyone right here. Then go ahead and make sure you click on others. Then go ahead and click on done. Then you found all posts that you have been tagging or posted to your timeline by other people. So how can you hide any post that you are tagging? Take a look at this particular post right here. I was tagged with other 8 people. How can I hide this particular post on my profile? For that, go ahead and click on these 3 dots from the top. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on hide from profile. Are you sure? This post may still appear in others. Simply click on confirm. Successfully hide. You can see this post no longer shown on your timeline again. It's that simple. You can review and hide or remove as many as possible unnecessary posts in your timeline on Facebook. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.